Hi there, welcome to a quick introduction to GeoCompressor and an overview on how to create an ECW file from multiple geotiff files. I have GeoCompressor 2020 running right here, and if I want to create a new ECW or JPEG 2000 file, I go to the button over here. You can see there's various options, but today I will use a mosaic input of geotiffs, so different tiles in different geotiff files, and merge them together in a single output image. You can also just batch compress multiple images or choose one of the other settings. I can add images here via this button or add a folder of images via this button, but today I will use just the drag and drop capability. So I have about 30 files selected here, which I can simply drag and drop onto the menu and continue to the next menu. I can choose all kind of options. I will just output the file here to C output, where the name will just be output.ecw. I've chosen to create an ECW version 3 file, and you can set all kinds of changes for the color space, bit depth, and the target rate of compression, but typically you can set those to auto and the threads to 0, so it will also automatically use as many threads as possible. So I'll leave this as is and click next. Also, the opacity channel can be chosen, but I will leave this as well default. You can resize the output image or clip it, which I will not do today. And that's it. I can review all my settings and then choose finish, and the compression job will be added to the menu. For the moment it is pending, so I will just click on start, which will start the job, and we'll go over these 30 files and compress them all together in one ECW output file. While the compression is running, I can already look at the log file. The log file gives a lot of information on what's going on, and after the complete compression job, it will also give information on the actual output file. So for instance, you can see the file sizes, you can see the current status on which file it is running, the memory it's using, and so on. In the meantime, the compression job is almost finished. In this case, it took about a minute to compress 30 files in a total of 300 megabytes into one compressed ECW file. And now the file is ready in the output folder for use in your applications. What's new since the 2020 version is that there's also a viewer now available with GeoCompressor, GeoCompressor viewer, as you can see here, and it will immediately open my file so I can preview it. So there isn't a need to open additional applications to simply review the file. Thank you for watching.